Excel Academy, Education Hub, Listening Day 7 by Sohail Sir.
The school's annual award function was an eagerly anticipated event, drawing students, teachers, and parents together to celebrate the academic and extracurricular achievements of the year. The auditorium buzzed with excitement, adorned with colorful banners and trophies that glittered under the stage lights. The principal, standing at the podium, welcomed everyone and set the tone for what would be a memorable evening. As the event progressed, it became clear that the star of the evening was Ilma. Known for her consistent excellence in both academics and extracurricular activities, Ilma was announced as the best student of the year. The audience erupted into applause as she gracefully walked up to the stage, her face beaming with pride. Ilma had worked tirelessly throughout the year, balancing her studies with various competitions and projects. Her efforts were rewarded as she received numerous high prizes, including the prestigious Student of the Year award. Each prize she received was a testament to her determination, intelligence, and passion for learning. But Ilma's success was just one part of the evening's celebrations. Many other students were also recognized for their exceptional performances in various fields, from academics to sports, arts, and community service. These students, who had also dedicated countless hours to their pursuits, were awarded high prizes for their achievements. As they walked up to the stage one by one, the pride in their accomplishments was evident in their smiles and the applause from the audience. One of the most moving moments of the evening came when the spotlight turned to the teachers who had played a crucial role in shaping these young minds. Among them was Mantasha, a teacher who had made a significant impact on her students. Mantasha was not just a teacher, she was a mentor, a guide, and a source of inspiration. Her unwavering support and belief in her students had pushed them to strive for excellence. She was known for her ability to connect with each student, understanding their strengths and weaknesses, and helping them overcome challenges. Her efforts did not go unnoticed, as many of the students who received awards credited her for their success. As Mantasha took the stage to receive a special recognition for her contributions, the audience gave her a standing ovation. It was a moment of pure gratitude and admiration, not just from the students she had guided, but from the entire school community. Her dedication to her profession and her students had made a lasting impact, one that would be remembered for years to come. The evening concluded with the principal's closing remarks, where he emphasized the importance of hard work, perseverance, and the support of teachers like Mantasha in achieving success. The awards ceremony was more than just a celebration of individual achievements, it was a testament to the collaborative effort of students, teachers, and the entire school community in nurturing excellence. As the audience slowly dispersed, there was a shared sense of accomplishment and inspiration. The students left the auditorium, not just with their trophies, but with a renewed determination to continue their journey of learning and growth. The annual award function had once again highlighted the values of the school, where every achievement, big or small, was celebrated, and where the contributions of both students and teachers were honored.